Does any one of you ever receive like a nasty comment on one of your posts, or did you receive like a patronizing message where someone was explaining to you why you were wrong and why they are right, and how everything you're like saying is like the wrong thing? If you're receiving messages like this or comments like this, that means actually you're doing something right, and you should be happy about this. When you are getting popular online at some degree, you will find some people who resonate with you. A lot of people will resonate you in a very good way, but there will be some people who resonate like in a very really angry and hateful way, and that just means like it's like a sign of success that you reached enough people, that you found those really rare specimens who get really angry all the time. So let me explain how that works. When someone is leaving a nasty comment on your post or sending you a message and they're criticizing you, they're not really criticizing you. They are just pointing out something that they hate about themselves. You see, people who write comments are secretly jealous of you. They see you as someone talking about something or someone who has achieved something that they secretly wish for, but they have never achieved in their life. And they're really unhappy about this. And you are talking about it, or you're just showing how happy, how successful you are. This is provoking them. It's triggering their pain, and they are reminded that they didn't achieve what you have achieved. And for that pain, they hate you because you remind them. You are like a mirror to their face, showing them like, yeah, that's what they say to themselves, yeah, I suck. I'm really bad. And they hate you because they want to feel good about their life, even though they know like they have really achieved nothing. So, let me tell you some tips how you can deal with people like this. So the first thing you can do is to have the right mindset. And the right mindset is to see it as a sign of becoming successful. That you have reached a point, that you reach your message, your values have reached enough people, that you found those rare specimens, the 1 in 10,000 people who really takes what you're saying to heart and really is angry about every single word you're putting out there. So you're on the right path. You have reached enough people and you're continuing to grow. So this is like a sign of success. That's the first thing you can do to deal with people like this. The second thing is you can remind yourself that those people only criticize something that they hate about themselves secretly. So you can understand them like on a deeper level, and you can feel like a feeling of sorry for them. It's not about, they don't hate you. It's just they have like this miserable life. And like just feeling like a little bit of compassion will take away a lot of your anger. So one thing you have to understand about trolls is you don't want to feed them. You don't want to engage with them. Because what all of those people secretly wish for is that someone is validating their existence by responding to them. And if you take this away, they have no further intention of continuing to engage with you. Like if you go there and you write an angry reply, that means that it had like an impact on the world. So you don't want to give them any of that. You don't want to reply to them. You just want to be like a ghost. All of the anger is coming to you and it's just phasing through you and disappearing behind you in thin air. So you don't want to be affected of any of that. Just let any anger and any aggression that's coming from those people phase through you. You're like a ghost, like phasing through you. And the last bit you want to do, you don't want to have those people coming back and again and again. It's like some of those can get really obsessive about you, and then they write like one comment under one post, and the next day like they're feeling like, yeah, I didn't get a reaction. They're coming back and they're angry that you didn't react to them. So they write like another one like the next day. So just chop them off. The way what I do, if I see there is someone who is obviously trying to be negative or is really trying to provoke you, I open their profile in a new tab, then I delete their comment, then I go to the next tab and I just click on block. They're out of my life. And the last thing you can do is just smiling and breathing out the last remaining anger. And that's it. Move on. It's a sign of success that you're getting haters. The more haters you get, meaning you're on the right track. So let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts about haters? Did you ever receive like a nasty comment, or did someone send you a patronizing message? What is your number one tip how to deal with those people? Let me know below. give this video like a thumbs up and follow me for more interesting content on how to deal with social media and growing your own brand online.